I know all of us here want to thank all you guys down there for the very fine job you did.
Well, thanks for that weed you sent up.
That's the firm, Joe.
Hell yeah.
I tell you, we all had a good time doing it.
Oh, fuck yeah.
You have a good bedside manner.
I can't wait to eat some good shit.
That's the nicest
Magic
thing
flip.
anybody ever said.
Magic flip. Gone, but not for too long. Listen, I guess the journey must continue. I'm on Venus in the venue, or in Igloo as I Instagram the menu. Psych, forget you smoking Sensu and my sensei. Start chasing since the 5th grade. Fuck it if the shit paid, I just spit it quick and then fade back into my nightmare, but it's brighter. My third eye open wider than the sky of the outsider. Divided the divider like a writer. As I write up, you decipher finer fiber from the writer. No, you right, I write it tighter. As a spinner of a spider spins the barrel of a sniper. The driver a moment prior said the future looking lighter than explosion and a fire. See you surfing with an angel. I know that shit is painful, like angel dust in your nasal. Eyes hazel when I'm playful, but they black out when unstable. Cut the sword out of a maple. I used to fight off the hateful. I'm grateful, at least I try to. With a graceful fall I dive to, and I know that time is waiting like that faithful call I fight through. So if I die you vanish, convert this to French and Spanish. I left to outer space, to a place that's too outlandish. Our body is all they banish, cause they like to see a true form. The journey of a soul that is started from a newborn. We rollin' doobies in the movies, putting roofies in your smoothies. As we book it to the boonies, we playin' a tune that's loony, playing coolie high. Hope you keep a toolie by, so you sold to the devil, the only way to truly die. I enlighten minds to elevate. I heard you tell the hell is fake, as I roll this L and smell the smell of gray. Big L the greatest blunt for you, ODB and Dilla too, MCA, ID and J, E and J poured out for you.